Everything I needed for my suicide was in my backpack, but I dropped in at a supermarket to buy various things just in case. Candles, batteries for the radio, stomach medicine, eau de cologne, shaving things. Day 1. I've given up eating. All I need is a tiny shelter, built using the existing trees. August 11th. What will I do if someone finds me before I die? Day 17. In the evening, I could hear the sound of insects. I'm not alone. The only sound coming from the radio is like the buzzing of a mosquito. There are 3 candles left.